Yo, what's up, YouTube? This video I'm talking about two side hustle students can start in 2015. Let's get into it. Alright, so boom, you wanna create a YouTube channel and you wanna build business credit. There you go. That's the whole video. Alright. So you wanna upload like videos in your niche, create title, thumbnails, topics, find like videos that already have market demand. And then you want to recreate it with your own variable and build business credit, get an LLC, EIN. You want to get, with that EIN, get a DNB number. You're going to sign up at DNB.com. You're going to call them, like, give me my DNB number. What's up with my DNB number? When I get it, they're going to give it to you in like 24 hours, 48 hours around there, less than a day. You sign up with it. They should email you it. And then you'll see, like, all like your credit report, like intelligent data. And then you want to go to nav.com, another credit reporting for business credit. You want to get Nav Prime, $50 a month. You're gonna get two trade lines. You want to get Opus, virtual offices. Boom. They make it like a suite, like a big ass skyscraper, a suite, like a small part in there is like your office or your address. You want to get a 1-800 number, $9.95 a month, freedomvoice.com. You want to go to listyourself.com, put yourself in the 401 yellow pages directory so they can find you. You want to go on Fiverr, get a website. Somebody could build you one for like $80. An Indian person could hook you up for cheaper. Cause their salary, like how much they get paid, or Philippines is less than here, so they'll spend the whole day for that. And then you tell them to put it professional. They probably already had clients that they know who you're talking about. Like you tell them put it professional. You go on GoDaddy, get the domain. They're gonna give you a business email for it. You want to sign up for Net30s, Granger, Quill, Uline. That's 3 more from the first 2, Nav and Opus. You want to spend like $50 a month minimum. Pay it early because they're gonna give you Net 3015. Make sure it's all Intellius PayDex reporting on the account that you choose. Boom. Now you're building those scores. Now you graduating, you evolving into like from Turtle to War Turtle. Now you're getting BP cards, like you're getting gas, Exxon, you're getting fuel gas for fleet and stuff. You go into Home Depot, you probably get a bunch of drills. You could go to 7-Eleven, fleet, fuel. You could go to Amazon Prime Business. Boom. Get that. Boom. Then you evolve into Blastoise, the big one. They're gonna give you the documents once you incorporate from busy.com. That's like 330 Wyoming, Nevada. With the virtual offices, alright, boom. You go to Sam's Club with the documents for everything. You apply online. You always gotta have like 100, 500, like 1,000, 10,000 around the minimum. And then you go on there. You can apply for that in the line, like tell them, yo, I want business credit that I could get. You brought your whole documents in there. You apply. Boom. They're gonna approve you on the spot. They're gonna send the card to you. That's the best one. Torpago's the same thing. It's a business credit card. American Express, Navy Federal, Chase, FNBO Credit Union. Credit unions are throwing the most money now. Now you're getting like 50K, 30K, 20K, 15K around there from all of them. You're gonna stack all of them. And if you see like some report to some and some don't report, you're gonna open up 2 laptops, get your documents ready. And same way you're gonna go to Truist, you're gonna go to Citizens with your documents. You're gonna tell them, yo, give me a check-in for 10,000. Boom. Now you get the relationship bill. You get 10,000 in business credit. Boom. You get that. Boom. Now you take the 10,000 from the checking, put it back in your pockets. Use the 10,000 from business credit. Boom. Alright. You can get Dell, you can get laptops from them. Alley financing, you could get like Ford vehicles, all sorts of vehicles, fleet, commercial vehicles, whatever the hell you want to go to your office and all that. You want to go visit a client, right? So boom, bring documents to Alley, tell them, yo, approve me for vehicle financing. So when you go to a dealership with all your documents, it's gonna be on your business name. It's called Fleet. You can get that, rent that car. You could burn it if you want to, and then bankrupt the company and make it another one profitable. You don't want to do it so many times because then they're not that stupid. So it's like, but that's the cool part about this as opposed to like personal, because then they're gonna annoy you. A corporation, they don't care, bro. They just throw you money like crazy. A credit union throw you money like crazy. Um, Navy Federal, the blue cards from American Express, Navy Federal got like 80K approvals. 50 Chase. Yep, this number right here. You contact them, email them, tell them like send me H corporations privately, the ones you don't put on the site just for me, like 5 years old. So if you get that, once you get that, the lenders can't blacklist it. But yeah, Secretary of State. Boom. I was talking about business credit and YouTube channel, right? All right, boom. Look, I got the thing pulled up right here. Look, you want to find YouTube channels in your niche, their top videos, and you want to recreate them. Like, I just made 2 side hustles starting 2015. That was business credit, and this is YouTube. You want to upload like half a dozen to 1,000 videos. Great titles, thumbnails, topics, great videos. You want to just make great videos. Boom. Upload like half a dozen to 1,000. You use the credit to promote your videos. You can have a MVP, a program, your own product, your own T-shirts, and that's what's gonna help you run it like to promote yourself, like so like Gucci. That's the 2 side hustles. Also, you can get a POS system for the business credit and have like an umbrella of LLCs built with POS systems. You want business to do business with the other business through a merchant account. They already used to managing heavy amounts for corporations. You withdraw, boom. Now you promote yourself, put it in a and you bet on yourself. You bet on yourself, or you put it in something, an investment or something. Get the business. Boom. That's the 2 side hustles, bro. If y'all found that useful, leave a like, comment, subscribe.